Hey everyone, Steve here. Welcome back to my channel. And I'm super excited because I'm about to take you to one of my favorite spots. A place with an amazing panoramic view of the whole city. It's just a quick 15-minute walk from here. And honestly, you can't get lost if you got Naver map handy. This is actually my last full day here in Korea before I head back home to Taiwan. So I'm really making the most of it. Stick around, it's going to be a fun adventure. On the way, we passed Choryong Church, founded in 1892. It's actually the very first Protestant church established in Busan and the southern part of Korea.
One minute, 37 seconds later.
Here we are at the monorail of the 168 steps. It was installed in 2016 to help local residents avoid the tiring climb and to attract tourists. The monorail rides alongside the stairs, climbing a height equivalent to a 6-story building. Plus, the ride itself offers some great views of the surrounding neighborhood. The monorail here is completely free, and once you reach the top, there's an observation deck with stunning panoramic views of Busan's skyline and harbor. Definitely worth checking out if you're staying near Busan Station. It's a unique local experience that combines history, culture, and amazing views all in one spot. After exploring around for a bit, it was finally time to dig into Busan's famous pork rice soup.
5 minutes later.
A true local comfort food. We chose this spot close to Busan Station. We ordered sliced pork, Haeundae, Korean blood sausage, and the famous pork rice soup. Each dish really shows off Busan's unique flavors. I definitely highly recommend this restaurant if you're in Busan. Just got off the subway and now I'm heading to my absolute favorite spot in all of Busan, Gwangalli Beach. Can't wait to show you why I love this place so much. I absolutely love this place. The views of Gwangan Bridge, the beach, and the amazing skyline are breathtaking. I could easily spend hours just soaking it all in. I went on a late Monday afternoon, so the crowds were much smaller than usual, making it a perfect, peaceful time to enjoy the scenery. I still have some time before the highlight of the day, so let's see what else we can explore around here. I found the Holly's coffee shop with a great view of the bridge. I'm going to grab a drink and a snack and just chill here for a little while. Heading to Gwangan subway station now and soaking in the atmosphere one last time before I go.
Twenty minutes later.
After a quick subway ride and a short walk, I've arrived at the Yacht Center. I'm about to take a yacht tour around Gwangan Bridge. I booked my tickets through Klook, and honestly, it's totally worth it. I especially recommend the night tour. The views are absolutely stunning. Just a heads up, make sure to go to the correct mooring gate because there are lots of tour operators offering yacht rides, and it can get a bit confusing. It's also a good idea to arrive early to avoid any hassle. Alright, we're heading to our yacht now. After putting on our life jackets and going through the safety instructions, we're all set to board.
There is a second floor stairs there.
Oh.
Area, whatever you want.
Okay. Second floor is better, okay.
8:01 p.m.
And we're off. The city skyline at night is absolutely gorgeous. It was the perfect night for a tour. Calm sea, cool breeze, and just the right vibe for a relaxing cruise.
말씀드릴 겁니다. 포토스팟은 첫 번째 포토스팟 이쪽 보이시죠? 마린시티뷰에서 저희 직원이 물살에 몸을 맡기듯이 보여주시면 되겠죠. 인사할처럼 먼저 진행할게요.
This lighting on the bridge is so cool at night. It really transforms the whole vibe.
아침비 머금은 너의 속눈썹 이불성에 갇혀 일요일 무너뜨리기 네가 흘린 작은 소원들 주머니에 넣어 깜짝 선물로 빗속에 갇힌 편의점 앞에서 오뎅 한 그릇 따뜻함 나누기
The whole tour took about an hour, and halfway through, we were treated to a spectacular fireworks display. It's honestly the perfect way to wrap up this amazing tour. One last look at this beautiful bridge before we wrap up. What a view. The Haeundae skyline looks so cool at night, all lit up and sparkling. I'm so glad I did the yacht tour. It was such an amazing experience. If you're coming to Busan, you should definitely add this to your bucket list. Taking the subway back to Suyeongman Station for a late dinner.
Later.
We went with chicken Galbi, spicy chicken served with melted cheese on the side. Seriously, it's so addictive.
The next day.
It's our last day here in Busan, so we decided to visit Lotte Department Store. It has a lovely outdoor garden and a free observation deck with amazing views of Yeongdo Island, Busan Tower, Gamcheon Village, and more.
새들이 노래하고 꽃들이 피어나 모든 게 아름다워 오늘은 좋은 날 웃음소리가 들려와 행복이 가득해 세상이 밝아 보여 햇살처럼 빛나는 우리의 하루하루 감사한 마음으로 살아가고
Of course, we couldn't miss out on the famous GORAESA Fishcakes here.
사람들과 함께 걸어가며 희망찬 내일을 꿈꾸고 있어
They are delicious. The perfect snack to keep you going.
산책하며 자연을 느껴봐. 바람이
Our friend recommended Aery Coffee.
기분이 좋아져. 커피 한 잔 마시며 여유를 즐겨봐. 평범한 일상이 특별해 보여.
Busan has so many great coffee spots, and I have to say, this one ranks really high on my list.
Later that same evening.
And just like that, I'm back at Gimhae International Airport. I'll be flying Tiger Air Taiwan back home. Since I arrived early, I'll spend some time exploring the airport before boarding. Here's some footage I got of our plane on the tarmac. One of the ground staff asked me to stop filming for security reasons, so I kept it brief.
2 hours later.
I didn't film on the flight itself because I was too tired. Thanks so much for watching all the way to the end. If you had the chance, would you take a yacht tour? And what's your favorite spot with the best view in Busan? Let me know in the comments below. Do me a favor and smash that like button and consider subscribing so that you don't miss the next video. See you from Taiwan in the next one.